In order for this game to be fun, we need to randomize the order in which flags are shown. Show an alert saying whether they were right or wrong when they tap a flag, then reshuffle the flags. We already set correct answer to a random integer, but the flags always start in the same order. To fix that, we need to shuffle the countries array when the game starts, so modify the property to this, .shuffled. As you can see, the shuffled method automatically takes care of randomizing the array order for us. Now for the more interesting part. When a flag has been tapped, what should we do? We need to replace the flag was tapped comment with some code that determines whether they tapped the correct flag or not. And the best way of doing that is with a new method that accepts the integer of the button and checks whether that matches our correct answer property. Regardless of whether they were correct, we want to show the user an alert saying what happened so they can track their progress. So, add this property to store whether the alert is showing or not. @state private var showing score equals false. And add this property to store the title that will be shown inside the alert. @state private var score title equals empty string. So whatever method we write will accept the number of the button that was tapped, compare that against the correct answer, then set those two new properties so we can show a meaningful alert. Add this directly after the body property. Func flag tapped underscore number int. If number is equal to correct answer, score title equals correct. Else, score title equals wrong. Showing score equals true. We can now call that by replacing the flag was tapped comment with this, self.flagTapped number. We already have number because it's given to us by for each, so it's just a matter of passing that on to flag tapped. Before we show the alert, we need to think about what happens when the alert's dismissed. Obviously the game shouldn't be over, otherwise the whole thing will be over immediately. Instead, we're going to write an ask question method that resets the game by shuffling up the countries and picking a new correct answer. Func ask question, countries.shuffle, correct answer equals int.randomin 0 through 2. That code won't compile, and hopefully you'll see why pretty quickly. We're trying to change properties of our view that haven't been marked with @state, which is not allowed. So go to where countries and correct answer are declared and put @state private before them like this. @state private var countries, @state private var correct answer. And now we're ready to show the alert. This needs to first use the alert modifier so the alert gets presented when showing score is true. Second, show the title we set in score title. And third, have a dismiss button that calls ask question when tapped. So put this at the end of the Z stack in the body property. .alert is presented $showing score, alert, title, text, score title, message, text, your score is ? Dismiss button, .default, text, continue, then inside there, the closure, self.ask question. Yes, there are 3 question marks that should hold a score value. You'll be completing that part soon.